guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a few different skin products and techniques that I've been using to really help clear my skin and make it super soft. Oh, it's snowing outside. Wow, it's literally like, what is it, -3 degrees outside, and it's like barely snowing, so okay. So it's been a few weeks since I posted my last video. I was going to film a photo shoot, like behind the scenes type thing, but that didn't end up happening. So I was gonna film actually something else with a few friends, but that didn't end up happening either. So here we are. I have had trouble with acne since like, what was I? Was like 11 or 12 or something in 6th grade or something like that. Been a long time because I'm 20 now. Yeah, I have combination skin, so it kind of depends on like the weather and stuff or the season. In the summer it can be kind of oily, and in the winter it can be like super dry and like flaky and all gross. I think I finally found a routine that actually works for my skin, which is really weird to think about because I've tried so many different things and so many different products and ways and techniques and stuff like that, and I don't know, it hasn't ever been the best that it is right now. So without further ado, subscribe if you guys are new and let's get started. Why do I do that? I don't know. Oh, and update, I have a few bangs, I don't know what you call them, but like pieces to frame my face and stuff, and I have more, but I didn't take all of them out. But so my hair's in a bun, and there's literally a wreath behind me, so if I have things sticking out of my head, that is what that is. Cool. Anyway, so first off, I want to talk about how I clean my skin. So for the longest time, I used to use a spin brush. It's like this little brush that you can turn on and off, and I have different brush heads that you can like pop on and off. I used to use that on my face to clean my face every morning and every night. It did really make my skin softer, and I think it did help, but after a while I feel like it got to be too much, but I didn't like know that at the time. Lately I have actually just been using my fingers to wash my face in the shower, and I find that the steam helps like open up my pores and like deep cleanses it, but it's not too rough because I'm still just only using my fingers. And then let that sit on my face for a few minutes, like while I wash my body or hair or do something else in the shower. And then once that is done, I'll go back with a washcloth, and it's just like, you know, like a little hand rag or something small. The little like bristle little thread things that are, you know, on the washcloth is basically like a really light exfoliant for your face. So I find that it's great in the winter time because I feel like I need to exfoliate my face like every day because it's so dry in the winter. I just take my washcloth, soak up the warm water, and then I lightly wash off that face wash. I think that's one of the main things that has really got my skin super soft, and it's really been helping with acne as well. It's really been helping, so I definitely recommend that. And it's super easy. You should already have it in your home, like DIY. Next, let's talk about some of the products I have been using. First, I want to talk about one tip that is great for acne or blemishes or spots or anything on your face. It's really good. It's really good, let me tell you. If you haven't already seen this around and you can't guess what it is frankincense. Ta-da! Frankincense is a essential oil. Mine is just, I actually got this one from Walmart. It's from the brand Granada, I think. 100% pure and natural from farm to you. It's actually really great for your face. Big surprise. What I do is I just get a Q-tip and put some of the frankincense on the Q-tip. You don't need a lot. And then I just put it on those spots. It can help dry them out, so it gets rid of them pretty quickly. Make the swelling go down, which is really great if you have like, you know, those hard pimples, which is, I know it's gross to say, but like it really does help. I don't know if you call it like stinging, but you might tingle a little bit on your face when you first put it on there, so just like be aware of that. It's totally fine. I definitely recommend that. Next, I want to talk about some of the products I've been using on my face in the winter time. Obviously I have makeup on. I love doing makeup. I just think it's really fun, and I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, I love to use the Pacifica Coconut Water Micellar Cleansing Tonic, and it's 100% vegan, cruelty-free. I just got this one, I think I actually got it from Sprouts, but I'm pretty sure they have it at like Target or something. I used to use the Garnier micellar water, which was great for a while, but then I tried this one and I feel like it's just so much softer on my skin and it's not as harsh. I just think it's a lot better. And it has coconut, it's a coconut water one, so I think that is amazing. I like to take this off with some cotton rounds to take my makeup off, so I think that is really great. Next we have the Derma E hydrating serum, and it has, I think it's called hyaluronic acid in it, which is great for your skin. Before this, I only used to use a spray, but that was just not working for my skin in the winter. It works in the summer because I don't need as much moisture, but holy moly, holy cow, in the winter my skin is so dry. So I've been using this. I'm seriously like, I only have this much left. I need to get a new one, but this is also from Sprouts. And then I also have the Derma E anti-wrinkle eye cream. Yes, I said eye cream. You might be thinking like, Madison, you're so young, like why do you need an eye cream? It's best to start early as possible. Like I actually just started using this. I don't wish I used it before. I do have like wrinkles already, like it's inevitable, like it's gonna happen. So using an eye cream just to help prevent that in the future and keep you looking younger and your skin looking nicer and smoother, so I would recommend it. And this is also from Sprouts. I love this product. I've been using it for a long time now. I will wash my face in the shower. I will then use my hydrating serum. I will spray this and then I will use that eye cream. This is the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This is for all skin types. I got this at Ulta. I also use this to kind of set my makeup or refresh it, and then use a beauty blender to like blend everything in after. Okay, lastly, I almost forgot about what I use to wash my face. In the morning, I like to use the Derma E Even Tone Brightening Cleanser, and this has licorice extract and vitamins B3 and C. This is cruelty-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, soy-free, recyclable, wind energy, blah, 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 blah. I got this from Sprouts as well. I use this in the morning because it brightens my face, kind of evens it out, and it's not too strong. At night, I've been using the Pacifica Sea Foam Complete Face Wash. I like it because it like foams a little bit, which is cool. Basically, I have Derma E, Mario Badescu, and Pacifica are the brands I've been loving lately. I just have a few more tips that are not products, and this is really weird that I'm talking about this because I've always had acne like my whole life. Feels kind of good to make this video. One of the main things that I found made a big difference was cutting out dairy. Now you'd be like, oh, but what about ice cream or what about cheese? They still have those things. I eat them. I'm actually vegan. I started out dairy-free and gluten-free earlier this year. It's been like 2 years, but earlier this year I went ahead and went full-on vegan, gluten-free, and then I added sugar-free as well. It's not like you're not going to be able to eat anything. Like, it is possible. If I can do it, you can do it. Dairy, yeah, that was one of the main things that really noticed in my skin when I stopped drinking or eating dairy. It really broke me out all the time. I was the person who, like, after youth group, we would go to like Culver's or something, or Custard's, and if someone didn't finish their ice cream, I would literally finish it for them. So yeah, going gluten-free is also great too, but like if you're gonna do one thing, cut out dairy. Also, sugar-free. Going sugar-free is a great thing. Cutting out sugar has been like really great too. Even when I have more sugary foods like maple syrup, or I have like, you know, vegan sugar-free ice cream or stuff like that, that's more like dessert sugary stuff, I find that my skin does like break out a little more, or it's more texturized and stuff like that. So definitely sugar and dairy. Drink what? Can you guess? Water! Drink more water, guys. It's seriously so helpful. You'll feel better. You won't be as bloated. It'll not only let alone help your body, but it'll help your face because it helps everything overall. Think like your body's made up of a lot of water, so like give it water and it'll be all good. A tip that I have, you can actually check out how to drink more water in one of my videos. I'll link it down below. Every time I go to the bathroom, I like to drink more water after I get out of the bathroom. That just makes sure that you're keeping yourself hydrated and you don't dehydrate. So that is great stuff, and it'll just help out your overall body, and that will include your face. So drink more water, guys. And then lastly, I know that not everyone has a bunch of time, or they may be busy, or you guys have excuses, but try to be active as much as you can. Even if that's just literally taking the stairs instead of the elevator, like do it. Like, you will thank yourself later. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's been a while, but like I said, some things didn't work out and that's life, so it's fine. But I'm back and I'm ready to go. So I kind of miss it too. Like, it's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can go and like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to push that little notifications bell to get notified when I post new videos. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.